Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, a beauty subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Look Fantastic June 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jaika. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, I was surprised that my Look Fantastic arrived today, and it was really early. I think it's because they are already sold out of May, so June are coming out now. And yes, I'm so excited to see what's inside here. If you're new to Look Fantastic, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs, I hope I don't get wrong, I think it's £15 plus the shipping fee, and every month you receive 6 beauty products from skincare to makeup. However, they have like plan available, subscription plan available, which if you subscribe for a year, it will cost you only £13 a month, and you have also next day delivery. So I think it's really worth it if you do like that. For all the info, as always, lovelies, the link will be in the description box below. So yes, lovelies, I'm using the sunlight at the moment. It's really lovely outside. It has like a cold breeze outside, the windy. However, it's really lovely. Let's open this box. So this monthly, lovelies, Surreal Summer. So this is the card with the QR code, and I tried the QR code. It's still not available yet. I think it's too early to scan it. So yes, so when you open it, lovely, it does look like this. I did also my lineup spoiler of this subscription box, lovelies. I will pop here, so if you want to see the price, the description, and everything about each of this product, just go check it out there. And so yes, the first product we have here is from Holika Holika. This is the Soothing Gel Aloe 90%. So here's the packaging, and I love this product. This is the perfect time that this product can come out, because this one, lovely, is if you're going on holiday, this is really perfect. It does really soothe your sunburn. It's help also to soothe the mosquito bites. This is my on the go. I always put this one on my handbag, this one, because I really use this one a lot. So I'm really glad that we've got here, and it says Aloe Soothing Gel calms redness and sensitive face and body. The soothing gel helps to relieve irritated and stressed skin from harmful environmental factors or dehydration. Its gel type formula penetrates deeply into the skin but doesn't leave skin feeling greasy nor sticky. Perfect after sun soothing gel. So yes, it's a must for me this summer, and I'm going on holiday, and definitely I will bring this one with me. This one has 55 ml, so perfect size. And then the next one I have here, this is from NARS. This is the blush in the shade Orgasm. We know this blush here, but it's a perfect size. It has 1.2 grams. Let's look like this. It's tiny, so you can bring it everywhere. And here we go, the size. And you can use this one to as a eyeshadow. I hope you can see it, lovely. Here we go. And then the next one I have here, this is from Mytan. This is the Facial Tan Mist Illuminating. It has 30 ml. Really cute packaging, but this is the only product that I won't use because I don't use fake tan. Let me smell it. It doesn't smell of rose, to be honest. It smells really nice, and it says use illuminating rose water facial sun mist daily to build or maintain your existing soft sun. Ensure skin is freshly cleansed and dry. Spray face and decolletage evenly, keeping nozzle at least 15 cm or 6 inch away from skin. Allow a few minutes to dry before applying makeup or skincare. So this is the only product that I won't use. And then the next one we have here, and I used this one before and I do really like it, and I love this brand. This is a Korean brand, another Korean brand, Holika too. It's a Korean brand. This is from Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in flavor berry, and I know this is just a travel size. It does look like this, perfect to travel, and smells really nice. It says lip sleeping mask. I honestly use it as a lip balm, and I use it every day, not only just before bed, and leaves like soft tint, like a mild tint on my lips, which is I really like. So yes, I'm happy with this. And then we have this from Luvia Cosmetics. This is the eyeshadow primer. I think this is a full size, and let's open it. It does look like inside. It's I think it's it's just clear eyeshadow primer, which is good. It's matte, perfect. And the last product we have here it's from Philip Kingsley, the Pure Color Freeze Fighting Gloss Brilliance. It has 20 ml. And I think this is just a select sample size. I really have like hate and love about this brand, because some of their product are suitable for me, but some of the product, it doesn't do anything to me. I will try it. It's the tiny one, so perfect size to bring with you everywhere. So yes, that's it, lovelies, as you can see. So let's do a recap. I love Holika, so I'm glad that we have in this box. And then I love the Laneige one. I love this product. And then the only product that I won't use is this, the Mind Tan Rose infused with rose water for self-tanning. And then I never tried this one, Luvia Cosmetics, the eyeshadow primer. This is a full size, I think. And then we have the NARS Splash Orgasm, but this is perfect size to bring with you every day, and you can use this one as a shadow too. And then this one I never tried it, a Philip Kingsley Pure Color Fizz Fighting Gloss. So yes, lovelies, overall, as I said in my lineup, I was quite tempting to subscribe to this subscription box. I will definitely use most of the product. It's just the Mind Tan that I won't use, but overall I think, considering the price, it's really a good value box. So yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box, lovelies? Have you received it? And yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.